Hello lumberjacks, welcome to Monocacy Hill Recreation Area. This is in Amity Township, Berks County, and it's a 420 acre woodland recreation area. It does have some ruins here, and if I remember correctly, I'll just look here. What are those things? Well, this map doesn't really show it. MH13. No, that's the Monocacy Hill Trail. Well, I believe it was like for a railroad or something like that. It just has the maps and stuff. Oh, there's the trail maps, yeah. Got an earbud thing they must have lost. So right now we are entering onto the Green Trail. Now from the Green Trail you can go to the Monocacy Hill Trail. You can go to the Creek Trail. And then that connects with stuff like the Stonewall Trail. They also have bathrooms here right at the beginning. And then later on the Railbed Trail is off to our right, way far off to our right. But we'll follow this up until we get to the Monocacy Hill Trail, because if we're going to come up here we might as well climb the hill and see what cloudy views we have. But it's beautiful in here. If you come here, there is hunting allowed on this property, so definitely wear some type of bright gear. I do have an orange vest in here if I feel like I should wear it or whatever, but I got my green hat as always. We've been hiking here for a while, so it's probably going to be amazing for you to know that I know nothing. I don't have anything to say. No, I don't have anything to say that would add to this, other than it's a beautiful walk. Most of it's pretty easy or moderate. The hill can get a little bit steep, especially the backside. That's a little dangerous. The Creek Trail, which goes off to the left up here, if you're coming the opposite way, that can be a little steep. This is right off of Route 422, so it's easy access if you're in the area. And even if you're not and you're coming to the area from wherever, it's right off of 422. They have signs for it and everything. The road that we came in on, let me see. The Geiger Road? Yeah, Geiger Road is where the parking lot is. And we came from Amity, because that's like a quicker way for us instead of going 422. Beautiful. Monocacy Hill Trail. And this goes for 1 mile. So it's all uphill. But the steepest part is on the back side of the trail. Let's say October 6th. And yeah, the leaves are starting to fall. It's changing colors. It's not exactly cool. It's like 75 today. It's cooler than it was. This past week was like in the 80s. No air conditioner, but still, it was warmer than you expect for October. Of course, we had a cooler August than you would expect, so who knows. Yeah, it's neat. I feel a lot better than the times I used to go here way back when I weighed like 260, 250 pounds, 270. Yeah, I'm huffing and puffing, but it ain't like before. Before I just felt like totally wiped after I was done. I could hike around for a lot more. We got a little bit yet to go, but not too far. I think we meander up and kind of turn to the right, which would be kind of, I guess, southwest. And on a clear day, you'd be able to see all the way what I think is the pagoda out in Redding. It's a pretty neat view, especially when it's not so cloudy. But hey, work with what you got. We wanted to go on a hike. Well, actually we didn't. We both said we didn't feel like it, but we got out here anyway. And I'm starting to enjoy it, which I usually do. It appears that we are approaching the overlook. There's some poignant narration there. That off there in the center of your screen is the pagoda up in Reading. It's unmistakable. It's obviously a man-made item, and that is in the direction that the pagoda is. It's a Chinese building that they built, oh, I don't know how long ago. It's really neat to go see. If you're in the area, you ought to go up there and check that out. It's kind of cool. Don't go at night though. Go during the day. .422, Birdsboro landfill, Birdsboro Waters Preserve. Down below is the rail trail, and I forget what the other name of the trail is, but that's where it goes past those ruins. And behind us, on I guess that would be considered the eastern side, is a waterfall trail. I think it's called the Creek Trail. And then there's the stone wall trail. There's ruins from an old home there, and the name escapes me. I saw it on the internet, and they don't seem to have that information on this map. But yeah, that's on the Stonewall Trail. This was never your favorite part of the trail, because we were always afraid of sliding, because we never had any really good shoes. How's it feeling so far?
I'm sliding a little bit. It's not too bad.
Something we're seeing on the lower trail is some fungi. I'm going to take a little walk into the Stonewall Trail, because on the map online I thought I saw ruins up in here, and we ultimately want to go down the lower trail towards the Creek Trail, but I want to see if we can't see them. With all this brush, probably not going to be able to, but it's worth a shot. Right up here is a placard or a kiosk. And like I said, Monocacy Hill. Oh wow. I don't remember this placard being here before. I guess back up in here is where it is. Oh yeah, there's a cellar there. there we go. This will probably be the last trail we take, and then this we'll head back to the lower trail, and then we'll head out to the parking lot. So let's go down and check out the water's flowing. Just rained too. What, a couple days ago? Last weekend? Low all around.
Where do you go?
Yeah, we're going to finish up on the creek trail here. That was usually the highlight of our hikes here. We've been hiking here for probably 10 years. And when I say hiking, it's kind of loose. I mean, the real hike is up on the hill. But very beautiful. In our backyard, again, look in your backyard. You're going to find something. And it's not a real huge place. It's not a state park, but it's absolutely gorgeous. And yeah, so we're going to finish up on the old creek trail. If we see something, we'll let you know about it. If not, then we're going to head on home and end up watching YouTube and watching you guys. So make sure you're putting something out for me to watch. I need something to fill my list. I mean, it's a pretty big list. I watch a lot of stuff, but I need something else. So we'll see you next time on the trail with Lumberjack in the Woods. Mosquitoes on my arm.